Okay, I think we got this down enough. We're going to test our string and our spring to see. So we put the spring here. We've tied our string on here temporarily. I think we're going to be okay. You want to make sure you get all your adjustments done and everything worked properly before you put the head ball back together and paint it. So you want to test it, adjust it, test it, adjust it. I think we're okay. So the mouth is working good there. So now we're going to check for the string. This is where we take our 1/2-inch dowel, which goes in here. And that's working good. The string here pulls the mouth open. The spring closes it. So we're in good shape there. So now we can go on to our next step. So since that's working okay, what we're going to do is we're going to glue our dowel in here, and then I'll put a couple of nails in here. Just use 1-inch brad nails. One-inch brad nails will work fine if you don't have an air gun. But I'll glue it, and then I'll put a couple of nails in it. Glue that in, and then we'll stick a couple of nails in here, or a nail on each side to hold it. There we go. So we glued this, put a couple of nails in here, everything's working properly. This here We'll coat it all with a wood putty. We'll seal up our holes in here that we made. And we'll set this aside, let it all set up, and then we'll come on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Thank you.